Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video, we'll talk about types of civil works. What are the types of civil works based on cost? So before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe this channel first and also press the bell notification icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos regarding civil engineering. So there are three types of works which are known as civil works, and these are based upon the cost of these works. Like some civil works have lower cost and some civil works has higher cost. So these are categorized in three groups: minor civil works which cost is below Rs 20,000. So these types of works which cost is below Rs 20,000 are known as minor works. And what are the minor civil works? What types of works are included in it? Like repairing works, finishing works, plastering works, and such minor works which requires only below 20,000 amount, below 20,000 rupees. So these are known as minor civil works. And what are the major civil works? Major civil works are work which cost is above uh, 20,000 to 100,000. And this is not below 20,000, this is between. This is by mistake written below. So between 20,000 to 100,000 uh, amount. So these types of works are called medium-sized works or major civil works. So which require money of cost of Rs 20,000 to 100,000. And what are called as civil projects? Civil projects are works which cost is above 100,000 rupees. So civil works which start from above 100,000 rupees are known as projects, civil projects. So these are the three categories of civil works, and these are known as types of civil works based on the cost, based on the money they are invested upon. So I hope you're familiar with these types of works. Please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell notification icon. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.